Hi. In C Sharp, when you are working with window form applications and when you create two forms, for example, in my case, I have created one form. For example, there is a one button. I just click it here, and for example, I just display a message or I do anything in this form. So I have the project where I have multiple forms in it. But by default, what happens whenever I create different forms, it will automatically, whenever I create the form and I debug the uh, whole project, it will just compile and run the first form. It will not go to the second form. I'll show you how. So for this, we create this form one, and then we create another form. That is, we have to go to the projects for this, and I click on the add, and I just create a new form. That is, you just need to scroll it down, and you just have to click on the form, and just you click on add. When you click on add, you will create one more form here, and that will be the form 2. So when I click on the form 1, there is a button, but when I click on the form 2, for example, I take a text box here or any other you can say any other toolbox or tool from the toolbox. So for example, a combo box, I just click here and drag it, drop it, that's it. So when I just try it here, and the button is there, and when I click on the form 2, there is a drop down option. So when I just try to run the code and execute the code for this, automatically you will see every time what happens. If there are the two forms, it will automatically we will get the results for form 1. We will not be able to get the results from form 2. See, if I click on this, I'll get the button only. I have not done any operation at all, because this is a video which we are going for, that how multiple forms are there and how we can change the execution pattern for the different form. So when I click on this, I will always take the form 1. If I click on the form 2 here, then it is the original, that is the designing part. It is not showing you any output related to that. So for that, for example, this is a problem whenever we are making different forms in a particular project. So what to do? For example, now this time I have done something here, and now after designing this form, I want to check the output for this. So for example, you want to check this, how the drop down is. So I just try to stop the code here, and I just take the form 2 and I just compile it like that. If I compile it from the form 2, even though I'll get the only form 1, that is button 1, isn't it? So for that, what we will do, a simple thing you have to mention, you have to just stop the program and you have to click on the program.cs. You will click on the program.cs, which is always in the right side of the solution explorer, and you will just change this form 1 to form 2. This is the main thing which you have to do. That's the thing what we learn, what the problem was different forms are there, and we want to load different forms at different time. So we want to check the output, whether the output for form 2 is there or not. So we will just compile it now after changing from form 1 to form 2. When I just go with it, and when I just compile the program, and I just see whether it is giving me the output for form 2 or not, right? So this is the thing which you have to always remember for that. So that's it. This is the solution for what the problem was. You just need to go to the programs.cs, where actual loading of the forms and all we can change. You just need to go to the application.run, and you just have to change the format of this. If you want to form 1 again, you just type it form 1. That's it. Hope this was a good solution, and hope you like this video. If you really like the video, please put the thumbs up, share the video, and follow the channel. Thank you for watching.